Hello and welcome to this 5-part beginner's guitar course. If you're new to playing guitar and you want to know how to play chords, you've come to the right place. In the first episode, I'll show you what you'll need to get started and how you tune your guitar. In episode 2 and 3, I'll show you exactly how you play open chords. And in episode 4 and 5, I'll teach you 2 songs. I hope you have a lot of fun learning how to play open chords. Welcome! In episode 1, I'll show you 3 commonly used guitar types, some accessories you need to get started, and of course how to tune your guitar. The first guitar in the rack is an electric guitar. It has steel strings and some electronics like this volume knob, and it's often played with a flat pick like this. The second guitar in the rack is an acoustic guitar. As you can see, it has a sound hole and iron strings as well. It's called a Western guitar. And you play it by placing picks across your fingers for finger picking, or a flat pick for strumming. And last in the rack is another acoustic guitar. This one is a classical guitar. It has nylon strings, which is great for when you're starting out because they're soft on your fingers. And they sound like this. So when you buy your first guitar, you'll probably need new strings fairly quickly. So make sure to grab an extra set of strings as well. Get this one too. It's a capo you can put on your guitar neck, and you'll be able to play lots of songs with the basic chord shapes. We'll even use it in episode 5. And finally, there's the guitar tuner. This one's a clip-on tuner, which is great because you can clip it on your headstock right there, and you can simply use the tuning pegs to tune the according string. So here's a sentence I want you to remember. Eddie ate dynamite, goodbye Eddie. And this sentence will tell you the name of each string. So the 6th string, E for Eddie, 5th string, A for 8, 4th string, D for dynamite, 3rd string, G for good, 2nd string for bye, and the 1st string, Eddie. Now you're in tune, let's learn some new chords in the next episode.